The last original member of the band, Garth Hudson, passes away at age 87. The band, a well-known roots rock group, lost its last original member, Garth Hudson. The performer was 87 years old and from Canada. NPR received confirmation of the news from his close friend Jan Host, a producer and music archivist. "He was a divine musical gentleman," comments Host. "He died peacefully in his sleep, holding the hand of someone he loved." The artist, who was born Eric Hudson in Windsor, Ontario, in 1937, was raised by parents who encouraged his skill as a multi-instrumentalist. At first, Hudson refused to join the band when members of the future group contacted him frequently. He only gave up after a few particular demands, such as an additional $10 per week to tutor the other members in music, which he believed would win over his rock-averse parents. At that time, the trio was performing as Ronnie Hawkins' backup band in rockabilly. Following their breakup with Hawkins, they met Bob Dylan, who was notoriously switching from acoustic folk to plugged-in rock. In 1965 and 1966, the quintet, Hudson, Robbie Robertson, Richard Manuel, Levon Helm, and Rick Danko, toured with Dylan. The band changed their name to Big Pink and moved to a home in upstate New York in 1967. The band recorded more than 100 songs in its basement with Dylan, which were subsequently made public as the Basement Tapes. They also developed the songs that would eventually be included on Music from Big Pink, the band's first album. Hudson was a saxophonist, accordion player, and keyboardist. The band's distinctive churchy, post-psychedelic sound, however, came from his use of the clavinet and Lowrey organ as lead instruments, especially on songs like Chest Fever and Up on Cripple Creek.